So now the only thing left to do is to change the size of this image, which we can do with an image style. So now there are several image styles we can choose from to display this. Actually, let's take a look at them now. If we click on the cogwheel on this node and click Manage Display, and then we look at the image and we click the cogwheel here, we'll see that we have several image styles available to us: thumbnail, medium, and large. Now we could use one of these, but doing so will cause us to run into potential problems later on. The same problems that would occur if we used a view mode in multiple contexts at the same time. So we're in a similar situation here where we have a particular context where this image is going to display. It's going to display in the sidebar, particularly with a product image, but possibly we want it to just fill up the sidebar and work for any type of content that displays there. You'd have to determine that based on your particular use case. For us, let's assume that the context is just that it's in the sidebar, not that it's necessarily part of a product node. So in that case, do any of these image styles match up with the context? Does it match up with thumbnail? Well, that depends where we're using thumbnail. If we use thumbnail anywhere where we need a small image, then it's possible that this context might be a little bit separate because it requires a certain width. Does it align with the medium image style or the large image style? Again, that depends where we're using those. It's safe to assume that with something so generically named, that they could be used in a variety of different contexts. And we can use these in places where the size can change without breaking our layout or causing any other visual distractions. So in our case, it makes sense to actually create an image style for the sidebar in particular.